See, as an entrepreneur, you need to understand you need to be the most amazing people person out there, right? Your team must be very, very happy with you. By happy, I don't mean that you will not reprimand them when they are losing momentum, right? You are the one who have to bring it back. Remember, it's you're like a traffic guard, that if there is a traffic jam, you are the one who have to solve it, right? You are the problem solver also, but ultimately you realize that all the credit has to go to your team members. So as a leader, I have one very, very strong suggestion for everyone.
Hello viewers, this is Krishnendu. I am your host today, and today with me another champion called Mr. Vinith Patwari. He is the CEO and co-founder of Elon Market and Stockage. Welcome Mr. Vinith, welcome to the show.
Hi Krishnendu, thank you so much for having me here. Thank you.
So Mr. Vinith, I would like you to introduce you about yourself, about your journey, so our viewers can know about you.
Sure. Hello, all the viewers. It's always amazing to talk to all of you. Thank you for watching this. So I'll take you through my journey. So starting from my education, I passed out from IIM Indore in the year 2008 in PGDM, and I'm also a chartered accountant. In the year 2008, after passing out from my college, I did take up the routine path of taking up a job, though I had a couple of job offers, but I chose to go my own way, and I started a venture called Fire Up, which was basically into online CAT preparation. Back in those days, around 12 years back, EdTech was, a term which was hardly people even have heard of. So that was the time. I think it was a little early. So I worked on it for a couple of years. CAT, which is the management exam, it was going online at that point of time. So it got good traction, but the monetization became difficult. So that was kind of my first failure, right? And after working on it for almost a couple of years, I thought let's go and take up a corporate job to gain some experience. So I worked with CRISIL. I had a completely financial background. So I worked with CRISIL for a year almost. And then I again, that entrepreneurial bug was there. So I joined hand with one of my seniors, Vivek Bajaj from IIM Indore. He's my senior and he is also a Calcutta based person. So I joined him as a co-founder, right? And we started slowly, we did a couple of ventures and ultimately we landed up with eLearn Markets, which was a perfect mix of finance and education technology. So we made financial markets, learning of financial markets available online for the first time. Right? And since then, we have been working very hard on that. And we have now 500,000 learners, registered learners on Elon Markets, right? Then we also started Stockage. After working on Elon Markets, we realized that students who are learning stock markets with us, they also need to have a practicing tool. Most of the tools which were available were quite sophisticated, right? And it was those were meant for people who already know the subject in and out. They had obviously complicated interfaces and all. So we thought, why not solve this problem? Give our students a tool. So we started building a tool called Stockage. So something which started as a tool to help our students, now India is one of the favorite stock market app with almost 2 million downloads and an amazing rating of 4.3 stars on Play Stores and App Store. So that's have been our journey. And in Stockage, we have 1 million plus registered users. So we have been fortunate that people have given a lot of love, and that's how have been my journey so far.
Okay, okay. So Mr. Vinith, you just mentioned stockage. So what is the USP of stockage and Elon Markets?
Okay, so if I have to describe in two words, right, it's simplifying finance. See, finance subject was looked upon as a complicated thing. Even people who are highly educated, they were missing on managing their personal finances well.
Mhm.
So this is a big problem which is leading to erosion of wealth in the society, because if you are investing in something which is not even generating returns which can beat inflation, then your money is actually degrowing, right? It's not growing, it's actually going down in value. So we realize that people need to understand various financial products, what are the various avenues where they can invest, where they can generate better return on their investments, and the consequences of each investment, right? With that perspective, we started Elan Markets. Simplifying finance is something which is setting us apart from most of the players who are still making, by default, finance remains complicated with them. But with us, if someone comes in, even for the first time, we try to break down things and make it as simple as possible, not only through our content, but also through our user interface, the entire user experience which we want to give to our, audience. And the second biggest USP which we have is, I will say that our product to a large extent is made by user feedback, right? So wherever we realize that the user needs something, we delve deep into it. And we always assumed that most of the people don't understand finance complications. So we try to give them a ready-made cake in Stockage by creating a lot of ready-made scans. People can click on that and they'll get stocks which meet certain very good criteria based on which people can invest. Same for Elan Markets. We try to break down our content into very, very small pieces which people can grasp very easily and use it practically. So that's what set us apart from everyone in the industry.
Okay, okay. So every business have a story. So what is the story behind to start Elan Markets? And stock story, you just told me that you find the students are more interested to learn stock market, so stockage comes. So, but what is the story behind to launch Elan Markets?
See, I tell you, I'm a chartered accountant. Even my partner is chartered accountant. Uh, See, I had a different story. My partner had a little different story. Okay, so my story was when I was in school, and when I just got into college, I realized I have got some time, and I was doing CA. So I thought stock markets is a place where I can learn a lot, and I can earn also. That's one place where I can make money by trading, by investing. But the problem was I didn't have any mentor or someone who can teach me technical analysis or fundamental analysis, how to analyze a stock. It was something which was known to very few people, and those were not available easily. Most of the people who were teaching stuff were doing it very, very theoretically, like in colleges and all, right? So it was all bookish knowledge. So I always have this desire that if I get someone from whom I can learn, right? And I realized that this is something which is there with a lot of people. They want to learn stuff, but they don't have trainers in financial markets. That was my story. My partner comes from a financial market background. His family is into stock broking, right? So he always wanted to teach people because he realized that, again, very few people know this and they are making money out of the markets, though it can reach to a much larger audience. So he had a different notion. So we both two came together because I had this strong urge of spreading this education to the society. Number one. Number two, I was an edtech entrepreneur at the onset of my career, right? And I had a finance background. My partner had a finance background, educationally very good finance background, and he had got a family background which was into the same. So it was a good marriage between two of us, and we launched this platform. Earlier, we were doing the same thing in the name of Credent Academy in classroom training.
Okay.
We are still doing it, but now we made a major shift towards online as an expansion strategy in 2013, that to take this classroom training, it's not possible to set up classrooms everywhere. We thought that will be a very capital intensive exercise. So it came out of the necessity that let's not spend that much money, rather make it online and make it reach to everyone. So we got kind of bootstrapped our journey into financial markets training, and that's the genesis story of Elan Markets. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. Perfect. So right now, where is your office located?
So we have two offices in Calcutta. One is in Pretoria Street, which is near Kamak Street, and the other one is in Sector 5.
Okay.
So in we have a 150 people strong team, and I'm very fortunate that I have the most amazing team, most dedicated people out there who are working day in and day out to make finance simple, for everyone. So that's what has led us to our growth. I'll attribute 100% of the of whatever we have achieved to my entire team. Without them, neither Elon Markets nor Stockage can exist. Yeah.
So team is very important for every startup. They are a backbone of every startup.
Exactly. That goes without saying. Team is what builds a business, right? Your role as a leader, as a manager, your role is to give them a proper navigation, right? You are like a, in a very crude way, I would like to say that you are like a traffic guard, right? Who is directing the traffic in the right direction, right?
Mhm.
And making things smooth. That's what is your role. The people who are on the driver's seat, who are driving your business, are your team leaders, are your last executive, even in the role of a person who is doing very, let's say sales or marketing. Everyone's role is important and they should be aware of the bigger picture. That's what I feel. And that's what connect them to the larger goal, right? And then people work as if they are working for, everyone becomes an entrepreneur, right? They are working for their own company because they know what we are trying to achieve, what problem we are trying to solve. So team is extremely important, right? And I am also a part of this team, and that's how it is. Yeah.
Okay. So currently in this COVID, means how you means your platform is an online platform. How you utilize this COVID, because after COVID means everyone is also interested to learn something online. So I think this is a very good growth for you also to business vertically. So how you means utilize this COVID 19 pandemic, Elon Market?
See, it's a little tragic. COVID has been really bad for most of the people. For our business specifically, it has been a blessing in disguise because people have the tendency to learn from home,
Mhm.
use technology to learn has gone up significantly. And people are also willing to pay now to learn, right? They are
Mhm.
exploring structured learning outside YouTube, outside other mediums where they can actually pay and learn. They are paying for quality, they are paying for the structure, they are paying for certifications, etc. So that tendency will help us in growing our numbers. Our registrations per month registrations have grown up by 3x in last 6 months, right? Our revenue has grown up by 2x in last 6 months. So that is helping us obviously, but I would just go a little back and I say that we were prepared for this, not mentally, but at least our technology was well suited that we can scale up. So we quickly scaled things up. And another thing which has helped us is during the entire lockdown the financial
Mhm.
markets were open,
Mhm.
right? People had this avenue where they were, everyone was thinking that we should start investing. We are sitting at home. If we have got a surplus, we should start investing. There is another big impetus or a catalyst, which is financialization of savings, which has started happening post demonetization. Now, if people need to generate returns higher than inflation, FD and all are not a good option, obviously. So people are trying to either invest in mutual funds or stock market, or they are trying to find out such avenues.
Mhm.
So obviously, learning becomes an important part. A platform like Stockage gives them the right tool to find out ideas where to invest, whether in fund or stocks. So everything in our ecosystem has seen a good growth, and we are very sure that this momentum will be maintained. So far, we are seeing great momentum, and I am sure this will continue for a long time because now India has moved into that zone where we are thinking about you having financial portfolio, moving away from just FDs or real estate or gold as our investment avenues. Yeah.
Okay. So, I mean, how can anyone be join the Elon Market, and how they can use the Stockage app?
See, our business model is very simple. It's a freemium model wherein people can download our Elon Markets app or Stockage app for free. We have tons of content which is there for free, very high quality content. People can start learning financial markets for free by downloading our app, Elon Markets
Mhm.
or Stockage.
Mhm.
Stockage is for people who want to analyze stock markets, analyze sectors, analyze particular stocks. So it's a great tool. I want everyone to download it today, start using it for free. For a little advanced user, they can consider going for the premium option. The premium option will give them a lot of advantages, which can give them daily stocks for next day's trading or investing. Okay, so you just need to do at the end of the day half an hour homework on stockage, and you'll end up with very good stocks which can help you in good profitable trades next day. So that's stockage. And Elon Markets, we have huge repository of content, text based, video based, and a lot of other formats, ebooks, etc. Whichever format you are comfortable, you can go there and learn about various aspects. We have premium courses wherein we have 100 plus courses from our own, where we have pre-produced those courses, plus we have experts who have added courses there. Same for webinars. 200 plus market experts across the country, they have contributed their webinars over there for a small fee. These webinars are available. These are amazing learning pieces which can be set to work immediately. You learn today and you start using it from tomorrow to make money in financial markets. So I hope there is so much for users to gain out of Elon Markets and Stockage ecosystem. And I invite all your users, all your viewers to use it for free, right? And take advantage of the learning which is available.
I'll put the link in the description so viewers can directly download from there. So we'll
Sure.
find.
Thank you.
So means on the Elon Markets, the webinar is live webinar. So instead of the other course material, are they pre-recorded or there are some live classes also? Is there?
See, the webinars are, live first, and then we put recording also out there for users to purchase. And obviously people who have attended live, they can watch it again through the recording. Similarly, our courses have two formats. One is live, which is longer duration program of, let's say, 24 hours to 36 hours spread over a month, where users can learn various aspects of financial markets with the help of a trainer, an expert, mentor, who is one-to-one with them through various platforms like Zoom, or let's say GoToWebinar kind of platforms. The other format is self-paced recorded courses, where again they can learn at their own pace. It's a recorded content, not only video, but we give various other content formats. We have deeply integrated Elon Markets with Stockage, which gives them a practical understanding of every aspect of market by showing them the real market data, live real market data. We have also created a lot of gamification by providing users for complex topics like options, etc. We have created games, or we have created tools where people can actually practice and see how the payoff diagrams are changing and things like that, which helps them in registering the learning, right? The gamification. We have also embedded number of calculators which are used for personal financial management. So a lot of stuff is already there into the learning management system at Elon Markets, right? Which people can avail and take advantage of.
Okay. So Mr. Vinny, you are mentoring many people through your Stockage and Elon Markets. So I just want to know who is your mentor, ideal mentor, if I ask you.
See, I'm a person who would not like one mentor, to get stuck with one mentor. But I feel there are so many mentors, great individuals who are there, who have written amazing books. See, in these days, it's become difficult to go and meet people and take their time, right? Obviously, you meet them and you take as much advantage out of their knowledge as possible. But I feel books are the best mentors. And at any point of time, I keep reading books. I'm a voracious reader and I love reading books. So with the help of books, you get to learn from so many mentors. So why restrict yourself to one mentor? That's my point. Yeah.
Okay. So, do you want to share any achievement which you have means achieved in this through your through your journey? I'm not saying any your one startup. I don't restrict in one startup. I just want to know any of your achievement you want to share with our viewers so they can also understand.
See, in real terms, the biggest achievement is the learning, the knowledge, which I've gained by getting exposed to all the aspects of business, especially how to scale up the business. So we have 2 million users, I told you now. So how to scale up the business has its own challenges, right? Where you need to be very aware about the product which you are creating, because your product is your biggest marketer. And then you need to understand the digital marketing, growth hacking, all of that, how it goes into your business. And obviously above all is the team management, right? If you're asking about achievement in terms of the awards or rewards which we get, the recognition, so we have been very fortunate in terms of the love which we get from our users. So we have great amazing feedback from everyone. Our NPS score, which is net promoter score, is greater than 71% in our platforms. 4.3 is our rating on these platforms. That's my biggest achievement. And very recently, I was rewarded as a Business World 40 under 40 entrepreneurs, education entrepreneurs. So that was very recent. So it's on top of my mind. So that's what I mentioned.
So finally, you want to pass any message to our viewers who want to be jump into this entrepreneurship journey. So what is your message for them? How they can start, and from there where they can start?
Okay, so that's a very, very good question. And I'm sure a lot of your viewers must be fresh entrepreneurs. So for them, I have this message that you start small, okay, and start building upon that. Don't get overwhelmed by the stories which are there about entrepreneurship. See, everything in life is difficult. Nothing is easy. I'll never demean a person who is doing a job or anything by saying that entrepreneurship is something which takes a lot of courage. Yes, it does, but so does a good person, a person who is doing his job dedicatedly. My point is, wherever you are as a student, or if you are working somewhere and you have a dream of starting something, start building the pieces. Try to put down a plan on paper, right? Try to find out what are the correct connections which can lead you to good business. Try to find your first employee, your partnerships, right? Try to build that while doing something else also, because your family, if it is sustaining on you, they need to sustain. So take a risk, but before that, do a lot of homework. Once you are prepared, take a jump. Don't wait for too long. Take a jump, do your work. There is good ecosystem out there which will help you. Obviously you need to get connected with the right minded people. There are so many people who are willing to help, right? For example, if you come to me and if you seek any help, I'm more than willing to help fellow entrepreneurs, right? So will be every entrepreneur out there in the ecosystem. So I would say take advantage of that ecosystem, take help, take mentorship, right? Try to find good people who can help you. Read books, right? Books have got no alternative. Read a lot of books and try to implement what you are learning on an everyday basis. Be a people person. See, as an entrepreneur, you need to understand you need to be the most amazing people person out there, right? Your team must be very, very happy with you. By happy, I don't mean that you will not reprimand them when they are losing momentum, right? You are the one who have to bring it back. Remember, it's you're like a traffic guard, that if there is a traffic jam, you are the one who have to solve it, right? You are the problem solver also, but ultimately you realize that all the credit has to go to your team members. So as a leader, I have one very, very strong suggestion for everyone. Be very generous in appreciating people, and be very, very stingy in blaming others. So you blame 10% of what actually it is, and you appreciate 10 times of how much a person should get the appreciation. So that's all from my side.
Thank you, Mr. Vineet, for this amazing advice. I hope I believe my viewers will really learn a lot from this interview. So thank you. So and thank you viewers for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel to watch more champion videos like this. Thank you.
Thank you, Krishnendu. You are doing a great job. Keep it up. Thank you.
Thank you.